Well, here it is. This is the 2025 Mini Countryman John Cooper Works, and as promised, I finally was able to get one to do a video on it. So let's dive in. So first off, a little on the technical specs. This is a 313 horsepower B48 motor with 296 pound-feet of torque and a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. It also uses all-4 all-wheel drive. So there's a lot of power, more power than the previous generation, and you still get all-wheel drive to get you where you need to go. And I know from experience, after riding in one of these and having seen them driven on a racetrack, they can haul and they can perform. Quite an impressive looking vehicle. We got these 19-inch wheels in black, melting silver paint, the rear diffuser with, count them, 2 over here and 2 over there, 4 exhaust tips, the new Matrix taillights. The body lines are just really, really nice. I know some people would say that the F60 was better, but I think the U25 is phenomenal. On top of that, it has 13 or more horsepower than the outgoing model. So that is something to consider when you're looking at this car. It is just incredible. Now look at that honeycomb grille, which looks like a checkered flag. Really nice there. These accents here with the vertical red right there. The car has a little bit more verticality to it than the previous model as well. And I also noticed that it has a little bit of a wing detail with the side of the front splitter. So that's pretty cool too. Now, if you go behind the wheels, you notice the big JCW brakes. Those are 4-piston, and this car needs every bit of it. Big rotors. I love the 19-inch wheels on these. I think the black ones look really good. The 20-inch ones, though, look even better. You got these nice gloss black accents now, the gloss black side skirt, the gloss black wheel arch, and then you come around to the rear, the gloss black rear diffuser, along with those gloss black tailpipes. Now, as far as cargo space goes, in the trunk area, you have a lot of space, typical of any new Countryman, lots of cargo space, even a spare tire. That's incredible. When you get to the back seat, you have plenty of room back here with these lovely black Veskin interior. You got a rear armrest with cup holders, and it is a 40-20-40 rear split folding bench. So you can fold this down in any configuration you want. You can put your skis through here, or you can put anything into the back of this car. Quite impressive. Now, along with this new tech, it also has dynamic dampers. It has the augmented reality navigation system. It really just has a lot of good stuff. Here is Harman Kardon, power seats, and these are the new JCW buckets. So hopping in this car, you are pretty comfortable right here. Paddle shifters with the boost function. Can't wait to try that out. You got the dash with the red accents all over it. You got the center screen here, and if we put it in go-kart mode when we start it, well, if we put it in go-kart mode now, we get the woohoo, and we got everything in here, including a G meter. And I'm gonna have to try that out, and I have a way to do it. Because yes, we are going to be driving it. If you can believe that, we are going to be driving this car. So JCW buckets though are really comfortable. I really like this, but let's show you that engine. So under the bonnet or hood, Mini put the B48 4-cylinder turbocharged motor with 313 horsepower, 296 torque, and a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Now, it does have less torque than the horsepower this time around, but this thing hauls down the road and hauls around a racetrack. I have seen this thing in action. It's incredible when it goes around a track. You would think something this tall wouldn't do well on a track, but I mean, look at how wide these tires are. This thing is designed to corner. It's designed to go fast and look good doing it. So there's that. On top of that, we also have the new stripes that Todd put on the car with a chili red and graphite on the sides. Really, really cool look. I really love this. And it just fits really well with the overall style of the car. This melting silver is the new melting silver, and it looks really good. The overall aesthetic is very menacing, really. This thing looks intimidating. I really do like it. I think it looks really good. And on the JCW, if you didn't notice this, between the Countryman S and the JCW is the only one that gets these details right here on the front bumper, on the fascia. I'm not sure what they're there for, honestly, but they look pretty cool. Gives it a really aggressive front, and that's what you want on a Mini. And this just looks incredible. And you got those big vents right there going to the auxiliary coolers in there. You got these red accents. There's also other accents and accessories you can get for these. And then you got the roof rails right there, so you can put all your luggage on top if you want to. But it is just a beautiful car. Really, really nice. I love the interior in this. The JCW bucket seats, I love these. I like the new logos too. It's just a nice feature. And a usable armrest. I love that too. And a little storage bin right there. Wireless charging right there. All the stuff you need right here. This info screen right there. But I know why you are watching this video, and I think it's because you want to see this thing driving. And I'd like to drive it. So let's do it. I promised the sales manager I would be quick, and I intend to be quick and short. This is awesome. Now, unfortunately, I am encountering some traffic, but there is something I want to do, so the traffic will be necessary for me to get to where I need to go to do this. But already, this is just awesome. We've pulled some negative G there. Where's that positive G? I don't know. I don't know how to read a G meter, but that right there is pretty incredible. This even tells you the horsepower we're using and the torque. Now, it does have heated seats and a heated steering wheel, so you have some nice luxuries in this car, really nice luxury. So you all know I have to take it over to the Miriam Loop and just see what this thing can handle. And watch that G meter. This is going to be pretty impressive. I'm already excited about this. This has been a dream to drive this car. I've been wanting to drive one of these ever since I saw it. This might even be possibly the next Mini I would consider buying. So this is really exciting. $46. This is awesome. I gotta get one. I love it. Holy smoke. Oh, how many G's am I pulling? Oh great, I got a slow SUV ahead of me. This is not gonna be fun. Well, that ends my fun. I got a slow moving SUV in front of me. But I love the way these seats just hug you. Holy crap. This is nice. This is just really impressive overall. I think the overall feel of the car is great. I think the handling is phenomenal. That G meter is a hoot. And the fact that you can see what your horsepower and your torque is, what you're using while you're driving, that is pretty impressive right there. That's more fun to me than the augmented reality navigation. I think that's hysterically fun to have that right there. This thing just gets up and goes. Holy smoke. I love it. It's incredible. And it's well built. They're built in Germany now, so they're really well built vehicles. This thing is solid. It feels solid. It feels like a solid vehicle. I love it. Just incredible. Mini really outdid themselves with this car. Now, yes, it does have the boost function that I tried out in the previous video. For the fact that we have traffic right now, I'm not going to attempt to even try that because it just wouldn't go well. But it's so cool that it has that. It has this thing that I think is incredible. It has a beautiful interior. It has nice amount of power, nice amount of torque. The 7-speed dual clutch shifts really nicely, and I can manually shift it myself if I so choose. Ooh, it even popped a little bit when I did that. Put it in sport automatic. There we go. I'm overly excited about it. I get it. There's even a boost gauge right there that it goes up to 18.9. So it has a boost gauge. It has all the fun stuff. It's like a kid in a candy store. The shifter even goes into manual mode up here when you do that. So I just really like this. Oh my God. Oh, it sounds so good. You gotta want one of these. I want one of these. I think it's awesome. Now, I don't know if that's an artificial sound or if that's a real exhaust sound, but that just sounds really good. Now, all I have to say is that if you are driving one of these and you come back grinning like an idiot, job well done. That is just incredible. This thing drives well, it sounds good, it looks good. I mean, it really has everything you could possibly need in a Mini Countryman. This is just incredible. I love this car. They hit the ball out of the field with this one. This is just a phenomenal Mini Countryman. John Cooper Works Countryman. And I love it. I really do. And if you all like what you see on this channel, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching. I don't know about you all, but I might take this thing back out for another drive. I'll see you all later.